In the land of the midnight sun, where the northern lights dance across the sky, there existed a deity who controlled the very elements of nature. This is the story of Ukko, the mighty Finnish god of the sky, weather, harvest, and thunder. Join us on an extraordinary journey through time and myth as we unravel the enigmatic tales of Ukko, a central figure in the ancient Finnish pantheon. Let's delve deep into the legends that surround this powerful deity, exploring his influence, symbolism, and enduring legacy. The origins of Ukko, a sky god's tale. Ukko, whose name signifies old man, was more than a mere god. He was the embodiment of life and elemental force. His origins, veiled in the ancient past, are as intriguing as the legends that surround him. As the preeminent deity in the Finnish pantheon, Ukko held sway over other gods, commanding respect and reverence. Ukko's multifaceted role in Finnish mythology is a tapestry of power and providence. Beyond being the sky god, he governed weather, blessed crops with rain, and wielded thunder with a godly might. Envision a figure akin to Thor in Norse mythology, yet distinctively Finnish. His thunderbolt, often represented as a hammer or axe, was a potent symbol of his dominion over nature. The Finnish cosmos and Ukko's reign. In the Finnish worldview, the cosmos was a complex system where every element was interconnected, with Ukko reigning supreme. The sky was seen as a vast, overarching dome, with Ukko ruling from its zenith. His influence permeated every aspect of the natural world, from the thunder that cracked the sky to the gentle rains that nourished the earth. Ukko's thunderstorms were more than natural phenomena, they were manifestations of his divine power. As thunder rolled and lightning split the sky, it was believed that Ukko was in his chariot, engaging in cosmic battles against forces of chaos and darkness. The lightning bolts he cast were not mere electrical discharges, but weapons against evil spirits. Ukko and the cycle of life. Ukko's role in the agricultural cycle was paramount. In a land where the harsh climate posed constant challenges, Ukko's benevolence in providing rain was crucial for survival. Farmers depended on his favor for their crops, and rituals were performed to appease him, especially during times of drought or poor harvests. But Ukko's influence extended beyond agriculture. He was also a god of fertility and life. Marriages, births, and other life events were often placed under his auspices, with people seeking his blessings for prosperity and well-being. The symbolism of Ukko in Finnish culture. Ukko's attributes reflect deeply held Finnish values such as resilience, wisdom, and harmony with nature. His strength and command over the elements symbolized the Finnish people's fortitude against the challenges of their environment. As a paternal figure, he embodied authority, wisdom, and the social order. In Finnish art and folklore, Ukko was often depicted as a regal, bearded figure, an embodiment of ideal leadership and sagacity. His representations in carvings, poems, and stories highlight the qualities most admired by the Finns. The rituals and worship of Ukko. The worship of Ukko was marked by various rituals and ceremonies, especially during key seasonal events. Midsummer, a time of light and fertility, was particularly important. Bonfires, dances, and feasts were held in his honor, invoking his power for a good harvest and protection from evil spirits. Sacrifices, often in the form of animals or agricultural produce, were made to appease Ukko. These rituals were not just religious acts but also social gatherings, reinforcing community bonds and shared beliefs. Ukko in myth and legend. Ukko's exploits and interactions with other gods and mortals form a rich tapestry of mythology. Tales of his battles against dark forces, his role in creating the world, and his interactions with other deities illustrate the complexities of the Finnish mythological universe. One popular legend speaks of how Ukko created the first kantili, a traditional Finnish string instrument, from the jawbone of a giant pike. This act not only showcases his power but also his connection to the arts and culture. Ukko's legacy, from myth to modern day. While the direct worship of Ukko has faded, his influence remains ingrained in Finnish culture. He is a symbol of the power of nature and a connection to the ancient beliefs that once guided the Finnish people. Today, references to Ukko can be found in literature, art, and everyday language. Phrases like Ukko's weather continue to describe stormy weather, reflecting the god's enduring presence in Finnish consciousness. The timeless echo of Ukko. As we conclude this epic exploration into Ukko's world, we are reminded of the timeless power of mythology in shaping human culture and thought. Ukko, the formidable Finnish sky god, may have descended from his celestial throne, but his stories remain vibrant, captivating our imagination. Through the saga of Ukko, we gain a window into the Finnish soul, a perspective where every aspect of nature was alive with divine significance. His legacy lives on, echoing the human fascination with the vast mysteries of the universe. In the grand narrative of world mythology, the thunderous voice of Ukko continues to resonate, a testament to a time when gods and nature were one, a time when the Finnish thunder god ruled supreme over the northern skies. So, let the skies tell their ancient tales, and the thunder speak of ages past, for in the heart of every storm, the legend of Ukko, the Finnish god of thunder, endures, a timeless echo across the ages.
Did you know? The subscribe button is like the library's version of a chocolate chip cookie. Every time you hit it, a book on a library shelf gets an extra sprinkle of fairy dust. So, if you enjoyed this video and want to sprinkle some magic, don't forget to like and subscribe to our library channel.